In this video, we're going to talk about the new Uniting for Ukraine program that is specifically designed to help Ukrainian refugees that are being displaced by the war. This program starts today, and I'm going to go over what it is, who qualifies, and how you can take advantage of this opportunity to be able to come to the United States. If this is of interest to you, I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is a place where you get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states and all over the world. And in this video, we'll talk about the Uniting for Ukraine new program that is designed to streamline the process of how refugees and immigrants from Ukraine are coming to the United States, those that were displaced by the war. And this is a very important program because it's starting today, and it's going to make it very difficult for people to come to the United States unless they go through this program. But before we talk about that and give you all the details, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So let's talk about Uniting for Ukraine, what it is, and why it's happening right now. And as you know, since the war started in Ukraine, many immigrants are coming to the border, specifically to the border with Mexico, because they are not able to enter the United States without a visa. So a lot of Ukrainians who were trying to board flights from Europe were obviously denied because they don't have the right visas. And those that came to the United States embassies in Poland and Germany were also facing a lot of delays. And so the alternative was to show up at the border with the United States, typically the one that we have with Mexico, and try to claim asylum or humanitarian parole to be able to enter the United States. And many people were able to do so. But the government also realized that there's no way for them to control who is entering, why they're entering, and what's going to happen to them once they're inside the United States. And therefore, they decided to streamline this process. And today they announced Uniting for Ukraine is a process that will require people, both U.S. citizen sponsors and Ukrainian applicants, to apply on this website. And I'm going to explain to you exactly how it's going to work in the next few minutes. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end and share this with somebody that may be interested in this information. So to be eligible for this program, you have to be a national of Ukraine, but somebody who is actually fleeing from the war. So you have to be in Ukraine as of February 11. You cannot just be Ukrainian national but living somewhere else in Europe, or if you're resettled in Canada or in any other European country, you're not going to qualify. You have to be physically in Ukraine as of February 11 and actually fleeing from the war to qualify. Anybody who's going to be applying for this on the website must go through medical checks, go through all the vaccination requirements, and also for very rigorous background checks. So typically they're going to take your fingerprints and biometrics and picture and make sure that you're somebody that is eligible to immigrate to the United States before you get the approval to be part of this program. Those that will be approved for this program are going to be allowed to come to the United States on a case-by-case basis, and upon entry they'll be granted humanitarian parole up to 2 years with a right to work as well. So anybody who's going to be able to enter and get their parole, humanitarian parole, are going to also get a work permit to be able to start work in the United States. Also under this program, U.S. citizens as of April 25th, 2022 are going to be eligible to apply to sponsor Ukrainian individuals and families. The U.S. citizen sponsors could be individuals, companies, and non-profit organizations. Those individuals are going to be eligible to sponsor Ukrainian nationals who are applying as part of this program. Those U.S. citizens who are interested to apply for this are going to go through obviously background checks to avoid any abuse of immigrants, but also U.S. citizens who are interested in applying for this will have to declare financial support and again pass the background checks to be able to qualify for this program. The government also stated that Ukrainians that are not eligible for a visa, so who try to apply for a visa at the U.S. Embassy and were denied, should go back and try to apply under this program, because that's going to be the only way moving forward for individuals from Ukraine to be able to enter the United States. They also announced that as of this week, they're going to be turning away Ukrainians at the border, and they're discouraging people from just showing up at the border in Mexico and trying to enter the United States and applying for parole. So again, that remains to be seen how that's going to happen, but that was announced by the Biden administration, and we'll link the copy of the announcement in the description of this video as well. In addition to that, U.S. embassies and consulates worldwide are increasing their appointments availability, specifically for nationals of Ukraine to be able to apply for tourist visas based on medical reasons and other emergency factors. Once again, that remains to be seen whether in fact that's going to happen and how fast those appointments are going to be processed. But to summarize this, This is going to be a pretty interesting program to see how Ukrainian nationals are going to be processed. At the moment, they are giving priority to Ukrainians that have family members in the United States. So it remains to be seen how this program is going to work out. And of course, I'm going to keep you posted right here and do more videos to update you how this is working and other government programs that are designed to help Ukrainian refugees to resettle in the United States. Once again, if you have any questions about this, or if you have any family members or friends who may be impacted by this, please share this video with them and let me know in the comments what other questions you may have. And once again, if you do need my help with any immigration matters, you can find me here, 619-483-4549. Text this number and we'll be able to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.